Nobel Prize-winning research uncovers the fundamental cause of aging. The answer cannot be seen by the human eye and is something called a telomere. Telomeres are made of repetitive DNA sequences that become the protective caps or ends of our chromosomes. Their duty is to protect our DNA. When we are born, our telomeres are long, but as time goes on, they begin to shorten. So short, in fact, that our telomeres fray, similar to the end of a shoelace, and a journey called aging begins. When telomeres become too short, our cells can no longer carry out their critical functions. Cells start to self-destruct and eventually die. Scientists call this apoptosis. Cells dying is one thing, but when cells simply stop functioning, they can become very toxic. This is known as senescence, spewing out deadly toxins which are essentially poisons to the body. So, how do we battle this terrible foe we call aging? A nutrient has been shown to naturally enhance the enzyme needed to lengthen short telomeres, thereby adding vital life to our cells. Over 8,000 studies show the connection between short telomeres and the signs and symptoms of aging. What's more fascinating is that this is the only substance known that can perform this in the history of all mankind. Prepare for the future. Aging ends here. FINITI, youth enhancement technology exclusive to Jeunesse.